Have you ever asked yourself, late at night, in silence, why do I hide the truth? Is it fear of people, fear of losing respect, fear of consequences? Or is it because the fear of Allah has faded from my heart? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You're watching Islamic World, where we share soul-stirring messages from the light of the Qur'an and Sunnah. If you want to revive your Iman with such reminders, then subscribe now and join us on this journey. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Lying, it's not just a sin, it's an attack on one's Iman. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "The signs of a hypocrite are three. When he speaks, he lies. When he makes a promise, he breaks it. And when he is entrusted, he betrays it." If these signs live in me, where does my faith stand? The Qur'an says, "Indeed, Allah does not guide the transgressor and liar." We often treat lies as a shield, but in truth, they are a wall between us and our Lord. One lie leads to another until truth disappears from the heart altogether.
A mother says to her child, "Come here, I'll give you something," but gives nothing. The Prophet ﷺ said, even this counts as a lie.
So now reflect. How many times a day do we lie? In jokes, to our children, for personal gain, without even realizing we are angering Allah. It is said about Rabi' ibn Khaytham that he hated lies so deeply, he would feel grief for days even after hearing a lie in jest. He would say, "Whoever treats lying lightly loses the sweetness of faith."
Sometimes we lie by silence, by hiding the truth. The Qur'an says,
"And do not conceal the truth while you know it." Surah Al-Baqarah 2:42.
this silence can empower oppressors and harm the innocent. It is not neutrality, it's betrayal of justice. Once a man lied in the court of Umar ibn Abdul Aziz rahimahullah. He said, "If lying is your habit, then fear Allah Ta'ala. But if you think lies bring benefit, remember, truth always benefits, even if it brings short-term loss."
Lying is not just with the tongue. It can be in the heart and in actions. When we show one face to people and another to Allah, it destroys relationships, trust, and inner peace.
The Prophet ﷺ said, falsehood leads to wickedness, and wickedness leads to hell. Truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to paradise.
Imam Shafii rahimahullah was once asked, "How can one protect himself from lying?" He replied, "Let the fear of Allah settle deep in your heart. If you are conscious of His gaze, the tongue will never speak falsehood." Stand alone in front of a mirror and ask yourself from your heart, "Why do I lie? Can my Lord not protect my truth? Is He not the guardian of my dignity?" Lies may offer momentary escape, but in the end, they bring humiliation, emptiness, and darkness. Truth may sting, but it grants honor, trust, and peace of the soul. If today we truly decide to cleanse our tongues, our actions, and our intentions from falsehood, then this one decision could become the path to peace in both worlds. May Allah make us from the truthful, protect our tongues from lies, and grant us courage to stand with the truth in every situation. Allahumma ja'alna min as-sadiqeen, wahfaz alsinatana min al-kadhib, warzuqna quwwat al-haqq fi kulli maqam. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. If this message touched your heart, then share it with others and subscribe to Islamic World to join this mission of truth and guidance.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.